How to withdraw money from BetMGM. In order to withdraw your money from BetMGM, it's fairly simple to do so. Launch the BetMGM application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. You want to make sure to log into your account, and after you log in, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on the account icon over there, you'll be able to see the withdraw button. After you tap on withdraw, you can enter your preferred withdrawal method like PayPal or bank transfer, and then after that you can simply enter the amount that you wish to withdraw and confirm the withdrawal details and submit the request. That's all it takes for us to withdraw money from BetMGM. I hope that this video has helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.